Okay, we're going to start drawing again. We're going to start with our first drawing. We're going to do another box. You're going to get really good at drawing these boxes. Only this time we're going to change the direction. We're going to have it, the face of it, this way. If you look at the other videos, they're the other way. We're going this way. And remember, I'm not going in any particular order in my lines. I just wanted to put that face on. And then I extend out those lines, making sure they're parallel, making sure these lines are parallel. And I'll make sure this line's parallel. Okay, I want it about that thick. And like that. Once again, making sure these are parallel. This line and this line aren't. It should go back. See, even I make mistakes, or there's just changes that need to be made. And you just adjust accordingly, making sure that these lines add up. Okay, and with this box, we'll go halfway, right, making sure that these lines are parallel. So I've got my point here and my point there. I'll go halfway again. We're going to be drawing a circle. And I can just draw up. And it should be the same parallelness right there. Same thing here. If I draw a straight line up, these all should be parallel. Okay, so I've got my 4 points to draw my circle, to draw my ring basically in the cube. So I'll connect these back arcs first, these 2 dots. And I'll go like that. And there's no kind of perfect way to draw these arcs. You kind of have to adjust it to make it look correct. There's no exact I'm sure there's an exact correct, but when you're drawing freehand, you just kind of see what feels good, what looks good, I mean. Okay, there we go. There's our number one drawing. Okay, now let's go number 2. Number 2 is going to go, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw a box. I'm going to draw this box kind of big for you guys so you guys can see it. Making sure these are parallel lines. Okay, and if I need to check, I check. Okay, and like before, we're going to find the center. We want to draw really light. Okay, as we draw really light, it allows us on our final drawing We're on our the final shape to kind of put in darker areas. So we have our center points, and you can see them, right? They're not, if you want, we can put those in. Now we're gonna put another box on top, and I'm gonna go, that's quarter, I'm gonna go an eighth, so I move halfway between halfway. This is halfway, this is halfway. I go halfway, that's a quarter, and then halfway between those two is an eighth. Okay, so I go an eighth. Try and make sure, keep that parallel, and I'm gonna draw another cube. Cube on top. Now if we were drawing a complete ring, this would kind of be where our setting would be. We're not going to draw a complete ring, but we're going to draw a ring. So we have these center points right there. So we're going to draw our arc right here. We're going to draw an arc right here. Okay, there's our back side to the ring. Get my pencil. Okay, and there's the other part. Now, if we did this correctly, these lines should line up, and this line, this back line needs to go a little bit more. So we have this box on top of this ring, and I'm going to put in these lines a little heavier so you see them. We're just building. We're building our abilities to draw. So we had the first one, a ring. The second one, number 2, a ring on top of a box on top of a ring. And then we'll develop this more fully next time.